What Android version does my Hisense Smart TV support for app installation?
Hello everyone. Today we are going to answer a very common question. What Android version does my Hisense Smart TV support for app installation? If you're a Hisense Smart TV owner, this is the video for you.
What is Hisense Smart TV's operating system?
To start, let's talk about what operating system Hisense Smart TVs use. Hisense primarily uses two types of operating systems, Roku and Android. For our purpose, we are going to discuss the Android-based Hisense TVs.
What Android version is supported?
As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Hisense Smart TVs come preloaded with Android TV 9.0 Pie. However, the company does periodically release updates, so your television might be running a more recent version of Android TV depending on when you last updated your TV software.
Why is knowing your Android version important?
The Android version of your Hisense TV determines the compatibility of applications that can be installed on it. Not all Android apps are created equal. Some require more recent Android versions to run efficiently or at all. By knowing your Android version, you can ensure you're downloading apps that are compatible with your Hisense TV.
How to check your Android version?
To find out your Android version, 1. Go to the home screen of your Hisense TV. 2. Scroll down and select Settings. 3. Go to Device Preferences. 4. Scroll down and select About. 5. In this menu, find where it says Android version. Next to it, you will see the version number. Please note, the steps may vary slightly based on the specific model of your Hisense TV. That's all for this video. Now you know what Android version your Hisense Smart TV supports for app installations and how to check it. We hope this information helps you get the most out of your Hisense Smart TV. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Until next time, happy viewing!